Welcome to Video Creator, where we explore the fascinating and incredibly massive industrial production journey of delicious sweet banana bread today. Have you ever wondered how thousands of perfect banana bread loaves are baked fresh every single day in a giant commercial bakery? We begin our incredible journey at the massive loading dock, where tons of fresh yellow bananas arrive early in the morning daily. Workers carefully inspect the massive shipments of fresh bananas, ensuring that only the highest quality fruits enter the advanced production facility today. Huge wooden crates filled with perfectly ripe bananas are lifted by strong electric forklifts and transported directly into the main processing area. The sweet aroma of ripe fruit fills the entire factory floor as workers prepare to unload the massive crates onto the conveyor. A specialized automated lifting machine gently tilts the large crates, pouring thousands of yellow bananas onto a wide moving rubber conveyor belt. The vibrant yellow bananas travel smoothly along the long conveyor system, heading straight toward the initial washing and thorough quality inspection station. Gentle streams of clean, purified water wash over the moving bananas, removing any external dirt or dust before the actual peeling begins. A dedicated team of skilled workers stands alongside the moving belt, quickly identifying and removing any damaged or overly bruised yellow fruits. Only the most perfect, sweet and perfectly ripe bananas are allowed to continue their journey toward the main automated peeling production line. The approved bananas now enter a specialized processing zone where their thick yellow skins will be efficiently removed by skilled factory workers. Dozens of trained employees work in perfect harmony, swiftly peeling the fresh bananas and tossing the sweet white fruit onto another belt. The discarded yellow banana peels drop onto a separate lower conveyor belt, which transports them outside to be recycled into organic compost. Meanwhile, the perfectly peeled white bananas move rapidly down the main production line, looking incredibly fresh and ready for the next step. A high-speed camera system scans the peeled bananas one last time, ensuring absolutely no leftover yellow skin remains on the fruit. The clean peeled bananas are then dropped into a massive stainless steel funnel, which feeds directly into the heavy-duty industrial crusher. Inside the powerful crushing machine, heavy metal blades rotate at incredible speeds, instantly transforming the solid bananas into a thick sweet puree. The fresh banana puree flows like a golden river through large transparent pipes, heading directly toward the massive central ingredient mixing room. This perfectly smooth and incredibly sweet banana puree will serve as the primary flavor foundation for our delicious industrial baked bread loaves. Now we transition to the dry ingredient section, where massive automated silos store thousands of pounds of premium quality white baking flour. A highly precise computer system calculates the exact amount of flour needed for the next massive batch of sweet banana bread batter. The premium white flour is sifted through fine metal screens, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture without any unwanted lumps in the mixture. Huge automated valves open up, releasing a precise waterfall of pure white sugar into the massive stainless steel industrial mixing bowl below. Essential baking ingredients like salt, baking powder, and aromatic ground cinnamon are carefully measured and added to the massive dry mixture batch. Next, thousands of fresh liquid eggs are pumped directly from a large refrigerated holding tank into the main industrial mixing bowl system. High-quality vegetable oil is precisely injected into the mixture, guaranteeing that the final baked banana bread will be incredibly soft inside. Finally, the star ingredient arrives as the fresh, sweet banana puree is pumped directly into the massive stainless steel industrial mixing vat. A gigantic metal mixing arm slowly descends into the deep vat, ready to combine all these delicious raw ingredients into smooth batter. The heavy-duty mixer begins to rotate, gently folding the dry flour and sugar into the wet banana puree and liquid eggs. As the mixing speed gradually increases, the various ingredients blend together beautifully, forming a thick, golden and incredibly fragrant banana bread batter. The massive mixing arms scrape the sides of the giant steel bowl, ensuring absolutely no dry flour pockets remain hidden inside anywhere. Factory technicians carefully monitor the automated mixing process through digital control panels, ensuring the batter reaches perfect consistency and ideal temperature always. After several minutes of intense industrial blending, the massive batch of sweet banana bread batter is finally smooth, uniform and completely ready. The giant mixing bowl is mechanically lifted and slowly tilted, pouring the thick golden batter into a large mobile stainless steel hopper. This heavy mobile hopper is carefully wheeled over to the highly advanced automated portioning and baking line by a skilled factory operator. The thick banana batter is pumped upward through large sanitary hoses into the main distribution chamber of the automated pan filling machine. Meanwhile, hundreds of rectangular metal baking pans travel along a continuous lower conveyor belt, moving steadily toward the batter filling station above. A fine mist of food-grade non-stick spray is automatically applied to the inside of every single empty metal pan passing through. This crucial non-stick coating ensures that the delicate baked banana bread will slide out of the metal pans effortlessly after baking finishes. The empty coated pans finally arrive beneath the automated filling nozzles, pausing for just a brief second to receive the sweet batter. Precision piston pumps push the exact right amount of golden banana batter down through the metal nozzles into each waiting rectangular pan. Every single pan receives the exact same weight of batter, guaranteeing that all the final baked loaves will be perfectly uniform always. The freshly filled baking pans continue their journey down the moving conveyor belt, gently vibrating to remove any trapped internal air bubbles. Now, the filled pans approach the most impressive piece of equipment in the entire factory, the massive continuous industrial tunnel baking oven. This incredibly long tunnel oven stretches for hundreds of feet across the factory floor, featuring multiple independently controlled heating zones throughout it. The filled metal pans slowly enter the dark, intensely hot mouth of the industrial oven, beginning their transformative baking journey right now. In the first heating zone, powerful gas burners provide an intense blast of initial heat, causing the sweet banana batter to rise. The sweet aroma of baking banana bread begins to fill the surrounding factory air, creating an incredibly warm and inviting atmosphere everywhere. As the pans move deeper into the long tunnel oven, the internal temperature is carefully regulated to ensure a perfect, even bake. Advanced thermal sensors continuously monitor the exact heat levels inside the massive oven, making tiny automatic adjustments to the powerful gas burners. The tops of the rising banana bread loaves begin to turn a beautiful rich golden brown color as they bake perfectly inside. A gentle internal airflow system circulates the hot air evenly around every single metal pan, preventing any unwanted dark or burnt spots. Halfway through the long baking tunnel, the delicious banana loaves have reached their maximum height and feature a perfectly cracked top crust. The final heating zones of the massive tunnel oven utilize a slightly lower temperature, ensuring the center of each loaf bakes completely. After nearly an hour of slow, careful baking, the perfectly golden banana bread loaves finally emerge from the exit of the oven. The visual transformation is truly incredible, as pale liquid batter has magically become hundreds of beautifully baked, perfectly uniform sweetbread loaves. Steam gently rises from the freshly baked golden crusts, releasing an absolutely irresistible and incredibly sweet banana fragrance into the factory air. However, these beautiful baked loaves are currently far too hot to be packaged or sliced, so they must undergo a cooling process. The hot metal pans are transferred onto a specialized cooling conveyor belt, which slowly carries them toward the massive automated extraction machine. A robotic arm equipped with gentle suction cups carefully lifts the hot baked loaves directly out of their rectangular metal baking pans. The empty metal pans are immediately routed back to the beginning of the production line, ready to be cleaned and refilled again. Meanwhile, the freshly extracted hot banana bread loaves are gently placed onto a massive towering spiral cooling conveyor system in the center. This incredible spiral cooler slowly carries the warm bread loaves up toward the factory ceiling, maximizing the available open air cooling space. Powerful industrial fans blow cool, filtered air across the moving bread loaves, rapidly bringing their internal core temperature down to safe levels. The loaves travel continuously on this massive spiral structure for nearly an hour, ensuring they are completely cooled before the slicing begins. Slicing a warm loaf of banana bread would completely ruin its delicate, soft texture, making this extended cooling period absolutely essential always. As the perfectly cooled loaves finally reach the bottom of the spiral conveyor, they are directed toward the high-speed automated slicer. A series of incredibly sharp, rapidly vibrating metal blades wait to cut each solid loaf into perfectly uniform, beautiful individual sweet slices. The cooled banana bread loaves are gently pushed through the vibrating blades, instantly transforming into perfectly neat rows of identical soft slices. The slicing machine operates with incredible precision, ensuring that every single piece of banana bread is exactly the same thickness and weight. The cleanly sliced loaves remain perfectly grouped together as they slide smoothly along the conveyor belt toward the primary automated packaging station. Maintaining the exact shape of the sliced loaf is crucial for the automated wrapping machine to function correctly and package them neatly. A continuous roll of transparent food-grade plastic wrapping film is fed into the high-speed automated flow wrapping machine right now. The sliced banana bread loaves slide onto the flat plastic film, which is quickly folded up and perfectly sealed around each loaf. Heated metal jaws clamp down on the ends of the plastic wrapper, creating a perfectly airtight seal that locks in vital moisture. This tight, secure plastic wrapping guarantees that the sweet banana bread will remain incredibly fresh and wonderfully soft for many days ahead. The individually wrapped loaves now pass through a highly sensitive metal detector, ensuring absolutely no foreign objects have contaminated the final product. Quality control is the absolute highest priority in this advanced industrial bakery, guaranteeing safety and perfection for every single consumer out there. Next, the wrapped loaves travel through a high-speed automated labeling machine, which applies a bright, colorful sticker to every single package. An industrial inkjet printer rapidly sprays the exact production date, expiration date, and specific batch code directly onto the clear plastic wrapper. This detailed tracking information is completely essential for maintaining strict food safety standards and managing global supermarket inventory efficiently across the country. The fully packaged and labeled banana bread loaves now move smoothly down the line toward the final automated boxing and shipping area. A complex robotic picking system uses gentle vacuum suction to lift multiple wrapped loaves simultaneously from the fast-moving main conveyor belt. The advanced robot carefully places the wrapped sweet loaves into waiting cardboard shipping display boxes with absolute precision and incredible mechanical speed. Each sturdy cardboard box is specifically designed to perfectly hold exactly 12 individual loaves of sweet banana bread for easy supermarket display. Once a cardboard box is completely full, it rolls down a heavy roller conveyor toward the automated industrial tape sealing machine ahead. The heavy-duty sealing machine quickly folds the top cardboard flaps down and applies a strong strip of clear packing tape securely. The sealed cardboard boxes are then automatically weighed to verify that they contain the exact correct number of packaged banana bread loaves. A secondary label printer applies a large barcode shipping sticker to the outside of each sealed cardboard box for easy warehouse tracking. These completed boxes are finally directed toward a massive automated palletizing robot located at the very end of the long production line. This powerful industrial robotic arm effortlessly lifts multiple heavy sealed cardboard boxes and stacks them neatly onto a sturdy wooden shipping pallet. The robot follows a carefully programmed interlocking stacking pattern, ensuring that the tall pallet of boxes remains perfectly stable during truck transportation. Once the wooden pallet is fully loaded with dozens of boxes, it moves along a heavy track toward the automated stretch wrapper. A massive roll of strong, clear plastic stretch film spins rapidly around the entire loaded pallet, binding the heavy boxes tightly together. This tight plastic wrapping protects the cardboard boxes from external moisture and prevents them from shifting or falling during long highway journeys. A skilled warehouse worker driving an electric forklift carefully picks up the fully wrapped pallet and transports it into the massive warehouse. Inside the massive storage warehouse, thousands of wrapped pallets containing delicious fresh banana bread wait patiently to be loaded onto delivery trucks. The warehouse is strictly climate controlled, maintaining a cool, completely stable internal temperature to preserve the absolute freshness of the baked goods. Every single day, dozens of large refrigerated delivery trucks arrive at the factory loading docks to collect these freshly baked sweet products. The heavy pallets of banana bread are carefully loaded into the spacious back of the waiting delivery trucks by skilled forklift operators. These massive delivery trucks will travel hundreds of miles across the entire country, supplying major grocery stores and local supermarkets with bread. It is truly amazing to witness the incredible scale and extreme efficiency of this modern automated industrial food production facility in action. From massive crates of raw yellow bananas to perfectly packaged sweet bread loaves, every single step is carefully designed for maximum perfection. The perfect combination of advanced robotic machinery and dedicated human factory workers ensures a consistently delicious and high-quality baked product always. Every single loaf of banana bread produced here represents the incredible culmination of modern food science, advanced engineering, and traditional baking passion. The strict hygiene standards maintained throughout the entire factory guarantee that millions of consumers can safely enjoy their favorite sweet baked treats. As the fully loaded delivery trucks finally pull away from the busy loading dock, another massive shipment of fresh raw bananas arrives. The entire incredible industrial baking cycle immediately begins all over again, running continuously day and night to meet massive global consumer demand. The delicious sweet banana bread you purchase at your local neighborhood grocery store likely began its journey right here in this factory. It is a brilliant testament to human ingenuity that we can mass produce such traditional, comforting baked goods on this incredible scale. Next time you enjoy a soft, sweet slice of freshly packaged banana bread, you will completely understand the incredible journey it took. You will remember the massive mixing bowls, the incredibly long tunnel ovens, and the towering spiral cooling conveyors that made it possible. The incredible dedication to absolute quality and extreme precision at every single production stage truly makes this industrial baking process completely fascinating. We hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this detailed behind the scenes look at the incredible automated production of sweet commercial banana bread. Exploring these massive industrial food factories gives us a much deeper appreciation for the delicious everyday products we often take for granted. There is always something new and completely fascinating to discover when we look closely at how our favorite sweet foods are made. Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing factory tour and discovering the sweet secrets of industrial banana bread production. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible behind the scenes industrial factory tours every week. This is Video Creator signing off, wishing you a wonderful day filled with delicious baked treats, and we will see you soon.